Hello friends, today we will be seeing how to install a Ubuntu machine on the Windows. So without installing Ubuntu on the virtual machine or having a dual boot setup. So to install Ubuntu or any of the Linux environments directly on Windows, so we can use something called as WSL, so which is Windows Subsystem for Linux. So which allows us to directly install any of the Linux environment on the Windows machine. Okay, so let's get started. So to enable this feature, so what we'll do is go to the search box and search for on or off feature. So here we can see turn Windows feature on or off. So click on that and you will see this interface. Here, so we need to enable WSL. So here we can see Windows Subsystem for Linux. So WSL. So we'll check this one, and to support this WSL, so we need a hypervisor, so which will allow us to install multiple OS in a single physical machine. So we'll be enabling this hypervisor V and also this Windows Subsystem for Linux. Once checking that, so click on OK. So it will download and it will install all the requirements which is needed. So now it will ask for rebooting the PC. So we can click on restart now. Now I have rebooted my system, and now we will go to installation of the Linux environment. So let's open our terminal, and to check what are all the distributions available for Linux to install on Windows machines, so we will type in a command wsl --install. So this will list out all the available Linux distribution which we can install on Windows. I'm going with Ubuntu 22.04. So to do so, I will type in the above given command wsl -install -d, and I'm giving a name Ubuntu 2022-2204. So and hit enter. This will install Ubuntu 22.04 on the Windows machine. So let's wait for the installation to get complete. Now Ubuntu has been successfully installed on the Windows system. As we can see, so here the installation has completed and a new Ubuntu terminal so has been pop-up. So press any key to continue, and so this has successfully installed a Ubuntu machine. So in case of any errors, what you can do is, so you can write one more command to update the WSL, so which will just update all the missing dependencies for the WSL. Now even the update has been completed. Now let us open our Ubuntu machine. So go to search box and find our Ubuntu. Here we can see Ubuntu 22.04 so is available. So let's click on that, and here we go. So the Ubuntu terminal has been opened. So this may take some time because it is installing all the dependency for Ubuntu. So let's wait for this to complete. Now this Ubuntu will ask for username and password. So this is not the username and password which you have used for your Windows machine. So this can be anything. So I'm setting up as username as Suhas, and I'm giving my own password. So now here we can see, so a user has been successfully created, and now we are into our Ubuntu machine. So here we can write any of the Ubuntu commands like ls -la to list all the hidden directories, and then maybe we can check the present working directory pwd, and so we can see what are all the mounts we have. So let's say ls mnt. So here in my machine, so I only have one partition C drive. So this is how we'll install any of the Linux distribution on Windows system. Thanks for watching.